What runs that does not have feet, hands, or a brain? A river.
No, that guy.
Your refrigerator.
Oh my gosh.
Do I just take a piece?
So we can concentrate on those areas here a little bit.
So what we're doing right now is we're sanding the frame so that, because it's gonna get primed in the next weekend of next week. So what we're doing is just trying to, this right here is smooth. So but this right here is all rough, so we're trying to make it smoother so that when they spray the primer, that it doesn't get all rough, and that when you put it in the car, people are like, oh, that's rough, you should sand that.
You don't want to make it miss out.
And then I want you to go across it 4 times like that. And then I want you to stop and point to the high spot.
You want me to do it 2 times?
I want you to go 4 times. Sometimes it helps to close your eyes even. Don't lose the finger. Yeah, don't worry about the metal piece there. So let's go ahead and get this one.
It seems very happy.
Ready? Send them home. Really good. And the neat thing is you can feel it through the paper even. You'll learn to feel it through the paper where the rough edges are.